Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert an MP4 video in Microsoft Word. Want to add a video to your Word document? I'll show you how to insert an MP4 video in Word step by step. The first step is to open Word and insert the video. And to do that, just open your Word, Microsoft Word, and then click on File, and then click on Blank, New Blank Documents. And after that, go to the insert section, and here you're gonna want to search for media. Just look for media, example, or you can choose the online video section in the media. As you can see, it's loading. The second step is to choose the video source. You can select online video for a YouTube link, or select video on my PC to insert an MP4 video. Now here there's only an option to upload a link from YouTube or Vimeo or TED. Let's look for another alternative. Now the third step is to adjust and play the video. Now after adding the video, resize it by dragging the corners and click playback to play on full screen for better viewing. Now you can do this when you click the link and you click on you copy a YouTube link. As for the fourth and final step, save and share. And you can do that by saving the Word document as a PDF with emp video. Now I'm not sure this works on all versions of Microsoft, because it didn't work for my Microsoft version, but try it, maybe it will work for you. You can also use MP4 formats for better compatibility, and for YouTube videos, copy and paste the emp link. And these were some tricks you can use that can be helpful in inserting an MP4 video in Word. Add media for more engagement documents. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.